guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox this Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the phone which you get. Let's keep it aside. So this is the 15-watt charger, and this is USB Type-C cable. And this is the SIM ejector tool, and this is the manual which we get. So now let's remove the wrapper of this phone. So this phone has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So this has a power button with a fingerprint sensor. This is the volume button. This is the microphone, and here you can insert SIMs. And this is the this is the another microphone, and this is the USB Type-C connector, and this is the speaker. So this phone does not have 3.5 mm connector. So this phone has 3 main cameras. This is 64 megapixel camera, and the second one is 12 megapixel camera, and the third one is 5 megapixel camera. So over here you get the torch. So let's power on this phone. So this phone has 5000 mAh battery, and it has got Snapdragon 778G processor. So this phone is easy to handle, and it has such a premium look. So now I have set up this phone. This phone has 6.7-inch 120 Hz display. It is AMOLED display. It even has 11 5G bands. So if you like this video, do hit the like button, and do share it with your friends and family, and do hit the subscribe button if you're first time over here. Thank you.